In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the default font in Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the File tab. This will take you to the main menu, where you can access Excel settings and other workbook options. From there, look down the left-hand side of the screen. Near the bottom of that green sidebar, click Options. In some versions of Excel, you may not see options right away. If that happens, click More first, and then choose Options from the menu that appears. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can change the program's default behavior for new workbooks. When the Excel Options window appears, make sure you are on the General tab. In most cases, this tab is selected automatically, so you may already be in the right place. If not, simply click General in the list on the left side of the window. Next, move your attention to the right side of the General settings. Find the section labeled When Creating New Workbooks. This area controls the default settings Excel will use every time you start a new workbook, which is why this is the section you need for changing the default font. Now click the drop-down menu next to. Use this as the default font. A list of font families will appear. Select the font you want Excel to use going forward. For example, you might choose Arial, Sego UI, or Calibri, depending on the look you prefer. Pick a font that is easy to read and works well for the kind of spreadsheets you create most often. After that, click the drop-down menu next to Font Size. Choose the default text size you want Excel to use in new workbooks. This can help make your spreadsheets easier to read and more comfortable to work with, especially if you regularly use the same formatting style. Once you have selected your preferred font and size, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the window to save your changes. Excel will apply these settings to new workbooks you create after this point. That covers everything you need to know.